Good morning, student. Today I will start chapter 11, Elementary of C++. MS Access already we have completed. Today chapter 11 I will start because they have given this time in back of the chapters. So operator in C++. We need to understand the operator. Three operators are there: urinary operator, binary operators, and ternary operator. Urinary operator, what is? X plus plus x minus 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 x plus x equals to 5, x not equals to 5. X plus plus, that is, we can say that is postfix, means after. If you are going to find the logical operation, then your x equals to 10, I have written here the value of x is 10. So after that it will be 1 plus, that means 11. And postfix what? That is after. Prefixed what? That is pre, means a minus minus x is written plus x, that will be the pre, means before you have to add or minus. So you need to understand the increment and decrement operator can be used in two ways: prefix or as postfix. Now x equals to 5. Suppose the value of x is 5, then equals to 5, it will be the true. I have written here x equals to 10, that means x equals to 5, it is false. X not equals to 5 means it is also same, that x value is not equal to the 5, means maybe x value is 6, 7, that is not going to the equal to the 5. Now binary operator, three operator is there. Already I said urinary operator, I explained that plus that means number to increment. Now binary operator, what is happening with the binary operator? There is the three operator are there in binary: arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators. Arithmetic operators used to do arithmetic calculation, that what we are doing naturally in maths, that plus, minus, multiply, divide. Relational operators used to compare two values. There is a two values, suppose a greater than b less than c, 5 is greater than 3, that are the relational operator. 5 is equals to 5, these are the relational operator, means values used to compare two value. 7 is greater than 9 or 7 is less than 9, these are all relations operator. And logical operator, next one, logical operator used to combine two condition, that logical operator, that and or, these are not equals to, these are logical operator. So we can write here over here, that easily you can understand. I am also writing that you are using in maths plus, minus, multiply sign, divide. These are the arithmetic operator. And relational operator, sign you have to use greater than, less than, equals to or equal sign. These are the relational operator. And logical operator, and, or, not, and or not. So I can also write in the computer form. So and sign you have to use, and. Okay, follow my keystroke and monitor. And or sign in computer, this is or sign. What I am writing, see, ampersand, that is called and, or, these are the logical sign, and not equals to sign, that in English we are saying that exclamatory sign. So whenever we will use in these all sign, that and or not, we will use not like this word and or not, we will use and. This is odd sign, it is there in the keyboard, and this is not sign. So before I have already written x not equals to 5. Okay, so logical operator and or not, these three are logical operator. So you try to write in copy that what are the unary operator, binary operator, and go through the page number 154 and 55, and next I will explain you ternary operator. Okay.